This changes the game forever. Patent pending software rigorously tested and used to siphon the free online traffic, subscribers, and income you're looking at now. And in just a minute, I'll play a little GoPro video showing how I got all these email subscribers and PayPal payments with our breakthrough software, exactly the same software you can get through the button below. This is software that works in virtually any online niche and runs autonomously, sort of like a self-driving Tesla car, aside from a quick 5 to 10 minute initial setup, without spending hours scrounging up free traffic, without spending fortunes on paid traffic, and even without shelling out affiliate commissions, meaning you keep 100% of all sales generated with the software. Our new technology is so groundbreaking, in fact, that we couldn't release it to the public or have this launch prior to filing for intellectual property rights. And this is an actual copy of our provisional patent form that's on file with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. If you can copy and paste, you have all the technical prowess needed, meaning none, to begin building a cash on-demand email list and an unlimited scalable income with our ingenious new technology. There's no guessing whether this works, no wondering, no questioning. It flat out does what we built it and coded it to do, like a robot taking orders. And in a minute, you're going to see the proof in our GoPro clip. Hey, it's Brian Winters here with you, and listen, if you're one of the countless thousands of people with a burning desire to initiate a substantial online cash flow, but you keep running into dead ends and brick walls, I understand your frustration better than most. I mean, life can seriously beat us down and keep kicking us when we're down. I used to work in a factory making $12 an hour. I've been laid off and twice divorced and have lost hundreds of thousands of dollars as a result of that. I've suffered through horrible anxiety and health issues and more. And honestly, I can't even imagine where I'd be without money, and lots of it. Don't get me wrong, I don't worship money, but nobody can deny that it's a valuable tool. It's amazing how many problems money solves. I mean, debt, health issues, helping others in need of food, shelter, and clothing, and medical aid, and the list goes on. I have been blessed, so blessed to make millions of dollars online. It's obviously helped solve the problems I've faced, but what actually gives me the most satisfaction is being able to help other people solve their problems. It's better to give than to receive. That old proverb is still true. I mean, I've helped others make 5, 6, and even 7-figure incomes online with software and various systems that my team and I have developed from scratch, but never have I been more excited about bringing a new product to the online marketplace and to you personally than I am right now, because what I've got waiting for you is a bona fide invention like nothing else you've seen. A genuinely great idea brought to life and guaranteed to help solve your problems and build financial freedom in a unique way that nothing else can. This is going to change lives. It's truly that powerful. ZipplePay is the world's first social viral payment button that generates free traffic, email leads, and unlimited income for its users, as in set it and forget it. Simply generate and paste the ZipplePay button on any product page, including the $397 value done for you website that we automatically set you up with as a new ZipplePay vendor, meaning you do not need to have your own product to begin benefiting immediately with ZipplePay. And then you just let the ZipplePay button work its magic. Now, sure, the button looks harmless enough, but what it can do will absolutely floor you. Now, with that in mind, here is the GoPro video clip that I promised to show you. Okay, here is the raw footage of my ZipplePay case study, all shot in one day. Some on my GoPro, some on my phone camera. So what you're seeing here is inside of my ZipplePay account, and this is the done for you website, complete web funnel and product that you get to start you off as a ZipplePay vendor. So even if you don't have your own product, you're good to go. You can see it's the 18th here, about 3 o'clock, and 18 leads we're starting out with. That's what I got a little bit earlier in the day before I started filming. So now this next clip, refresh the page, same product, same account. I'm going to take you down again, show you this stats, the updated stats. And we are at now 33 leads generated so far, and 2 paid sales actually at $10 each. So that's $20 we've made so far. We're about 25 minutes in, you can see there in the corner. Now this next clip, it's 2 hours into the case study. still the 18th, and you can see 84 leads and 10 sales. If you caught it there, you can always back up the video if you missed it. But that's $100 that we've made in 2 hours. And now for this final clip in the case study, I'm going to show you at about 11:30 at night, same product again. I'm going to scroll down inside my vendor account, and we are at, drumroll, 148 leads and 33 sales. So that's $330 in sales. You can see the sales coming in my PayPal account there. The $10 sales, there's some other sales in there, but the $10 sales are from ZipplePay. And then I will take you can see it's the DLCM system there. What you get with ZipplePay, you can see the sales there throughout the day, all in one day, $330. And then one final thing here, I'm going to do a screenshot a few days later here, so you can see that the sales and the leads just keep on coming. They don't stop just because my case study stopped. So we're at 271 leads generated a few days later and 69 orders. That's $690 in income, and I haven't touched it since that initial day. Just a few minutes of work, set up some traffic to get the ball rolling, and then you can see the results just keep coming. So I hope you've enjoyed the case study here. Recorded live proof that ZipplePay does everything that it's claimed and more. So thanks for checking it out, and back to the main presentation now. Pretty awesome, hey? But here's what's even more amazing than the results I just showed you. All those email subscribers that you saw me get are all people who chose to order, so to speak, my featured product through ZipplePay. ZipplePay gives your visitors the option to pay, so to speak, for offers simply by referring others through the ZipplePay system. We call this pay by lead. The customer checks out through my ZipplePay order page, and in exchange for referring a predetermined number of other ZipplePay customers to the same offer, my ZipplePay customer gets automatic access to my product. So suddenly and automatically, I've got a fresh army of people who are essentially my affiliates, and commission-free affiliates at that, because in order to access my product, they'll be sending me free traffic and free email subscribers, but they'll also be sending me automatic income and sales when up to 50% or more of customers select to pay me through PayPal instead of earning access by referring others because they prefer instant access to my product. And then all of this, the email subscribers from the sales and everything, is triggered with a single button, the ZipplePay button on complete cruise control. But it gets even better, because ZipplePay has the power to turn any offer into a viral income machine, because every new ZipplePay customer, if you think about it, that you can get can turn into another flurry of customers, some of whom pay by PayPal while others check out again through ZipplePay. And this cycle can keep repeating for weeks or even months, literally all by itself, without you having to touch a thing, and all without spending a single cent on the ZipplePay driven traffic, and also all without paying a single affiliate commission. That's right, ZipplePay can grow you an army of affiliates promoting your offer 100% commission free, because they're promoting you to get access to your product and not to make a commission. So that's how you pocket 100% of the profits on every single sale that you make. Like I said, ZipplePay changes the game completely. Now, but what if you're a newbie, you don't have your own product, and you don't even have a web hosting account? Don't worry, we've got you completely covered. We'll automatically set up your new ZipplePay account with a premium, done-for-you web funnel and built-in product with a real-world value of $397. Now, the featured product, called Dumb Little Cash Makers, was created by the ZipplePay team, and we've already done initial testing and confirmed that it converts like crazy, including the income that you saw being made live on video in our GoPro clip. Now here's a quick overview of what you're getting by joining ZipplePay today. You're getting a ZipplePay Unlimited Vendor account, as we call it, and you can generate unlimited ZipplePay campaigns with that account in as little as 5 minutes each. You just copy and paste the ZipplePay button to any offer page and you're in business. And then there's the ZipplePay Dumb Little Cash Makers done for you web funnel and product, which I just covered. And then something I haven't covered, you're also going to get the unlimited ZipplePay Marketplace traffic. This is a free bonus guaranteed only when you order today. We'll automatically list your ZipplePay offers in our new ZipplePay Marketplace, resulting in unlimited hands-free traffic. And there's more details on that on the page below. All told, you're getting a $2,461 value by joining ZippoPay today. Click the button below to become a ZippoPay vendor at our crazy low launch special introductory fee while you still can. The price will be going up drastically, so don't wait. As always, your order is secure and risk-free through JVZoo and PayPal and backed by our easy 30-day money-back guarantee. This is a software app and system that absolutely no online marketer should be without, whether newbie or pro. It's a powerful new weapon that levels the playing field. No longer do you need to be a guru with a bunch of JV buddies to grow a serious income online, all thanks to the ZippoPay button. Call it a magic button if you'd like, but we call it technology. Once again, order now, risk-free, and I will see you inside, and thanks for watching.